Alright guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday and it's October the 4th and we are here at one of my client, the water table has a dry rot and the edges. Maybe we're gonna put a bonder here. So we're gonna end up removing this water table and then we have to suck it out and then remove it. So the way it worked back in the old day, they have like another molding, like a 90 like this, and it has another return. So we decided to cut it out to making sure we can be able to remove this water table. And that's Javier, kababayan. I call him kababayan. And let me go down to make it sure. Just kind of go to set it up and see you guys there. Bye. Guys, so after we remove the water table, slope seal adapter, or whatever you guys want to call, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more concrete. So once Javier put the thing, give me the label, por favor. I'm gonna check this one, the new label that we bought it. So pretty much, up about a quarter there. I'm thinking about maybe, I don't know about this. A little bit, we need to a little bit jack it up over there. We'll just probably cut the wood over there. So let's get into that. So we finally installed, me and Javier, the window. So we just pretty much, we just reset it. Okay, so we finally put it in, reset the window. We are good to go. We're pretty hot here. We just put it back to old window, but eventually we will replace it, but not now. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up those spray foam, so sealed up, and that's how we do.